Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your Canva website. So first open Canva and select the website you design or you are working on. Now on the left hand panel you will see the apps option. Click on this and here you have to search for embed, and after that this will open. Options allows you to bring audio from platforms like YouTube, Spotify, SoundClouds, and many more. So you just have to copy the link of the music you want to use and paste it in the embed box right here. So here I'm pasting the link of my song, and you can resize and place the music player anywhere on the web page. So I am placing it to the uh, bottom left side of my web page, and now if you want you can preview it by click on the eye icon at the top right side. So when you publish your Canva website, the music player will appear and visitors can play the video track directly while browsing your site. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.